Want to avoid a costly home disaster? Here are the three worst places to put your washing machine, according to experts. First, never put it upstairs. While it might be convenient, a water leak could flood your entire house, causing extensive damage and mold problems. Second, avoid the entryway. Not only does it ruin your home's aesthetic, but doing laundry in a hallway creates traffic jams and becomes a daily hassle. Third, skip the open plan kitchen. The noise will disturb your meals and relaxation time. Instead, experts recommend placing your washing machine in a mudroom, basement, or dedicated utility closet. These locations minimize damage risks and keep your living spaces peaceful. Remember, proper placement today can save you thousands in repairs tomorrow.